This is a real quick video just on how to get started with Google Meet. If you need more assistance after watching this video, please reach out and I'll help you. So to get started, you want to be in your Google Drive. Okay, so I'm in my Google Drive, as you can see. If I go up to the top right corner, you have kind of your Google app picker. So I'm going to click on that, and it may depend upon how you have your picker set up. But you will, if you scroll down here, you'll eventually find Google Meet. So here it is. I'm going to click on it. Okay, now you can either join a session or you can start one. So I'm going to click on this kind of greenish banner, and I'm going to type in a title for this test session that we're doing. So test Google Meet session. Okay, so I'm typed in the title. That's what I want this session to be called. Obviously, you can call yours whatever you would like. You're going to press the continue button. It's going to then launch your session. It's going to go through and check your webcam. I currently have my webcam turned off, but my microphone is on. Okay, so it's going to test everything. Once you're good to go, you're going to click join. Okay, and then what's going to pop up is some information. So you can, in this screen here, you can add people that you want to be invited to your session by clicking on the add people, or you can just copy the join information and email it to people. Okay, so that's going to show up first. When you're done with that information, you can press the X. And then some information for you once you're in your screen, down here at the bottom where it says test Google Meet session. If you click there, it's going to bring that information up that was just up. Okay, so you can copy the information here. All right. If you're done, you can click out of it. Here you see a microphone, so you can mute your microphone or turn your microphone on. You can turn off your camera or turn your camera back on. Okay, you can turn on closed captioning. Closed captioning works really well with Google Meet. So as you can see here, it'll start collecting what I'm saying and projecting it up onto the screen. All right, you can present now. So here it will say, do you want to present your entire screen or just a window? So let's say I wanted to do a window. You're going to get a picker of which window you want to share. If you wanted to do your entire screen, then again, it's going to do which screen you have. I have dual monitors, so it's picking those so you can select which monitor or screen you would like there. You have 3 dots in the bottom right corner. That just gives you kind of change of the layout, so I can change how my screen is set up for doing my video conference. You can do full screen. Again, you can turn on captioning. You can go to settings. So in settings, it's just how you're going to be able to set up your microphone and your speaker, as well as your video information, all of which should be fine. Okay, and then if you go up to the top here, you see a little people icon. This is going to, again, allow you to add people to your session. So you can add people. It's also going to allow you to go to the chat, where you can do the chat function just like in Blackboard Collaborate. Okay, or you can access the chat by going to this chat bubble, and it'll automatically go there. Okay, so that is kind of the short and sweet version of it. When you are done with your session, really all you have to do is just close out of your session. There is no leave button or anything like that. So when you're done with your session, you just close your browser and your session's over, and everybody would leave. And then if you wanted to enter back into that session, then you could just go back into Google Meet. And for you, you would just enter your name, which now I forget what I called it. Test Google Meet session. Okay, and then it would launch the session back up again for you. Okay, and then you'd be ready to go. All right, I hope that's helpful. If not, or if you need something further, please just reach out, and we'll be glad to support and assist you.